Well, hello my friends. Alfredo here. And I know it's been a little while. Hard to believe. It's been like 3 weeks since I've come to my lathe and really done anything. And today was kind of an update on something that I needed to do. Some of you might have seen a video I did on a piece of burl that came to me from Canada by James Walt, who delivered it to my front door even though I wasn't home. With that burl came a beautiful story of his trip down to my area, which was designated. Well, it seems like he came across a bowl that had been started by a wood turner who died of cancer before he was able to finish the piece. So James finished turning that piece, and the family members who live in my area got wind of it and contacted James if there was any way that he could get that bowl. Well, James, who lives in Canada, he contacted me that he wanted to bring me a burl. So, with that burl and the turning, I decided the only thing to do was to pay it forward and use it for a good cause. So I did the video and I announced that I would be accepting donations, and the winner would win the piece. Well, unfortunately, I was not able to set up any type of payment way on YouTube. I did not know how to link PayPal. I did put a support my channel type thing, but that's really not what I wanted to do, and I took it off because the last thing I want anybody to think is that what I enjoy doing, which is wood turning, my passion is wood turning, that I would be in any way, shape or form asking for people to contribute to my channel. Now, I did try that, and there were a couple of donations that were made through that process. A lot of people contacted me, how do I donate? And I was trying to work it out and see how they could donate to this beautiful cause, which was to cancer research as well. And some mailed me a donation. So out of the people that contacted me and gave me information, and those that showed interest or they wanted to donate, even if they did not donate because I didn't have it set up, well, I put all those names into a bowl, and today I'm going to pick one name out of that, and I will be shipping that piece out. Now that piece is on the lathe again. I turned it, I've left it aside, and it created a little bit of scalloping. It's the only way that I can describe it, but little divots in the wood. It was still shaped, but I decided that I wanted to put it on the lathe and give it one final touch and set it up for it to be shipped. So, like I said, I don't have a lot of names because I didn't have it set up, and I'm sure that had I had it set up correctly, I would have had. But the names that I got them in this bowl, and I don't have another party that could come over here and draw it. It does not matter to me on who gets it. So just stir it up a little bit, the few names. I'm going to put it up above my head, if you can see that, and I'm going to pick out of it one name. Got one name. His name is the lucky winner. to the piece, and may it be paid forward again. Richard Dooley, I believe it's Richard. David Dooley, this bowl will be going your way. I believe that I kept the envelope and I still have your address. If I don't, I will contact you Facebook. I know you're there. Now let me show you what I've done to it. Not going to show the turning because I already did the turning of this piece. I decided the piece still had a little bit of mass, a little bit of extra thickness on the whole piece, and it had like little divots throughout, which was an okay character. So what I did is I remounted it on the lathe. I made the tenon, made a little dovetail edge on the tenon so I could mount it up, and basically I went in here and cleaned it up a little bit and made it all a nice uniform thickness. At this point I have sanding sealer on it and I'm ready to buff it up and get it up. Shining this, I'm going to put the OB Shine Juice, which is what it originally had, and get a little bit of a shine on it. And I did call this turning pay it forward, and that came out of suggestions from people that also saw this on Facebook and on the channel, that made a lot of comments as to what I should name it or how I should engrave it. And the majority of the people that thought I should put something on it thought I should be very simple, with just my signature and the pay it forward. So that's how I'm signing this. Now the few reasons, there are a few reasons why I haven't really been turning lately. I can still say that nothing I have ever done, but if it was painting or anything else, has ever got me so passionate about something. And wood turning has been the biggest passion of all the things that I do, that has kept me going and driving and learning a great deal with, and the most just pure enjoyment, and that's why I do it and nothing else. But some of you may know I had a little partner that was a joy to have around, my sanding partner, Elias. Elias had to move back to Massachusetts with his mom and his sister, and it brings him far away from me. And that took a little bit from my drive. I'll get it back, but right now I'm going through a little bit of a stage where I need to get over and come back in here and start doing some turning. if I may say something in a little bit of a personal manner, and something for you, that you can keep in mind. You never realize how precious something is while you have it. It always seems to come after the fact. So anyway, Well, David, I hope you enjoy your winning. Congratulations, and thank you. Thank you for the generous donation to go to cancer research. I don't know how long it takes to ship from here, but within next week or so. Should be in the mail. Thanks again. Thank you for watching, and hope we'll see you very soon with Woodturning.